Once a sage saw a scorpion in water struggling. He lifted it to save its life. It stung him.
Ah,
Due to pain he experienced, he immediately dropped it. He repeated it again.
ouch, my hand.
Then again he lifted it. Again it stung him. And again he dropped it. Again he lifted it. Again it stung him and he dropped it.
Ouch, it's so painful.
After a few attempts, a person came to him and asked him,
O saintly person, are you foolish? Why are you lifting that ungrateful scorpion again and again? He is biting you so badly?
The nature of the scorpion is to bite, so it is following its nature. And the nature of a saintly person is to tolerate insults and harm done to him and still continue forgiving and helping the suffering living entities. Therefore, I am following my nature.